Hi. It's been a while. It's been a long while.
Bruh.
Okay, it's been a very long while. I've driven it, but I haven't been able to really work on it because obviously of my living space. It is still gutted. It is still, yeah, but some things have happened to it. So let's crack on with it. You kind of see it's getting very close up the line. If we look at it, this tire is pretty straight on, and if we go back to the other tire, you can notice that the toe is a little bit in and that the camber is also off. So one of two options. So my idea is either get it running so that way it can get onto its own power, so that way I can get it onto a trailer, or the second option is to get the alignment, get it running, and that way I can drive it again and start working on it from there.
Oh, that's black flag.
I'm gonna go ahead and let it run for another about 5 minutes.
Then I'm gonna go ahead and tune the carburetor. That way the RPMs are a bit lower for my liking, and then I think we'll have it up and running. At this point, I just have to turn key, and that'll be it for a while. Turn off now.
Hello, again. It's been a long time, a very long time. And you might be asking, what has happened in the past, I don't know, 3 years to this car? And honestly, it's a lot. One night on my way home from work, the motor decided to not want to live anymore. So, instead of the 318 that resided in this car, now it has a 360 small block engine, which set back the car even further because, one, I had to find someone to install it and also find money to have that person install it. So, that took time. After that, well, I maintained the car, which was the whole point of this video, was to show that I put maintenance into it. Oil changes, coolant flush. That was until one day I was driving the car just as a cruiser, and I went over a bump, and the suspension gave out. So that's what I'm working on now, is the suspension, which is why it's the next post after this is probably going to take even longer to upload. Anyways, if you made it this far into the video, you're probably just as much invested into the car as I am, which I appreciate your watch time. And if you're willing to stick around, you get to see all the improvements that I make to this car. So, with that being said, also I've realized with this car that it is a project car and it is art, and art takes time. So, with that being said, if you're just as much as invested as I am into this car and want to see this series be fulfilled and see this car at its full potential, hit the subscribe button. Like if you enjoyed. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace out, Girl Scouts.